Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we are going to discuss the unit number 4 financial management problematic explanation. So before watching this video, I want to give you a clarity that so the same financial management subject is having for the MBA students also. Okay, so for them I have already done the explanation video. Same concept, same thing, everything is same for degree and MBA Usman University. Everything is same. So the same video I'm merging here so that the concept is same only. So don't worry, the concept is same. Okay, the explanation part is same. Clear? So I hope that you have got clarity, and if you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So the same content creation, everything will be same only. Okay, calculation, everything. So let's get into the video, students. Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the unit 4 problematic of the subject financial management. Before starting the video, I can say you one thing, you should learn theory also from this unit. Okay, so don't depend on too much problematic except whatever we are discussing now. Along with this problematic, you should be perfect with theory also. Got it? So here mainly we will discuss two topics now. First one is the topic of working capital. Okay, so working capital problematic methods we will discuss now. Okay, after this one more topic is there. I will discuss it later after this topic. Okay, so how you need to do working capital means like this, you will get the questions what they have said in the question. From the following details, explain estimate working capital. They have said what is the amount they have given for raw materials 10,000, finished goods 5,000. Okay, credit sales 60,000. In that 2 months were credit, it seems. Manufacturing expenses 24,000, wages per annum 36,000. So manufacturing expenses and wages is for 1 month excluded. Raw materials consumed 24,000. 3 months were credit. Allow 10% contingencies also they have said. So this is the thing they have said in the question. How you need to do this as a working capital means simply assets minus liabilities. If you are doing means you will get working capital, assets minus liability. So in the solution, what is the assets you are having? First, current assets. In that current assets what is the first thing they have said? They have said raw materials. No, raw materials. How much they have said raw materials? 10,000 rupees. Raw materials they have said. Finished goods they have said 5,000. So 10,000 plus 5,000 if you are doing means 15,000 you are getting okay. And receivables is nothing about debtors. Receivables amount, what amount they have given? 60,000. 60,000 into how many years they have said as a creditor? 2 divided by 12 months. 60,000 into, out of 2 months it is credit only, 12. 12 is the number of months in a year. So 60,000 into 2 divided by 12 if you are doing means 10,000 you will get it. Only this 10,000 only you need to take it into the consideration. So 15,000 plus 10,000 is nothing about the 25,000. This is your current assets total. Now come back to the current liabilities. In current liabilities, first they have said that creditors. What is the creditors amount they said in the question? 24,000. In that 3 months is the credit period. So 3 divided by 12. 24,000 into 3 divided by 12 if you are doing means 6,000 only you need to consider that value. Next, manufacturing expenses also they have said 1 month only. So 24,000 is the value into 1 divided by 12 if you are doing means you will get 2,000. Same like that only for the wages also. So wages amount is 36,000 they have given. 36,000 divided by 1 divided by 12 is nothing about the 3,000. So if you add 6,000 plus 2,000, 8,000, 8,000 plus 3,000, 11,000. So total current liabilities is 11,000. Simply what we need to do? Assets minus liability. A minus B. That is nothing about 25,000 minus 11,000. If you are doing means how much you are getting? A minus B. 25,000 minus 11,000. 14,000 you will get the value. So 14,000 is the working capital. Net working capital is 14,000. But 10% contingencies they have said no. When they have said like 10% contingencies means we need to add it. So what is the value? 14,000. No, 14,000 into 10% if you are doing means you are getting 1400. Simply what we need to do, you need to add it. So 14,000 plus 1400 is nothing about the 15,400 is your answer. If contingencies is not there means by here only your answer will getting closed. Why we have done this means they have given contingencies. See, whatever the credit period they have said in the bracket, simply we need to deduct that amount and we need to consider only the used value only. So this is the thing, you need to consider it as a working capital. Okay. So next important method in this unit number 4 is dividend policy decisions. Okay, dividend policy decisions. In this you will have Gordon's and Walter's method. Okay, so see here in the 45th question, from the following details you are required to calculate value of shares when no dividend is paid, when dividend is paid. A limited, B limited, C limited. I will explain A limited, B limited and C limited. You take it as a homework and let me know your answers in the comment section. How you need to do that means, what is the formula of Walter's model? You can call this as a Walter's model. What you will call? Walter's model. So WALTERS, Walter's model. What is the formula of this Walter's model? Is equal to P is equal to D plus R by KE, E minus D divided by KE. This is your formula. Okay. So what they have given in the question? They have given R is 15%, KE is 10%, E is 10 rupees. They have said like that. Simply what you need to do, you need to consider the values into the formula. So what is D? Dividend, what they have said in the situation 1, when dividend is not paid. So you need to consider 0 as a D. What is R? 15%. What you need to do? Decimal format. 15 divided by 100 you need to do. So 15 divided by 100 if you are doing means 0.15. So 0.15. KE. KE also decimal format. That is 10 divided by 100 if you are doing means 0.1. Got it? Next, E what they have said 10. D we don't know. D we are taking as a 0. Divided by KE is 0.1. So 0.15 plus 0.15 divided by 0.1 if you are doing means 1.5. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10 only. Okay. So how you need to do? Simply you need to multiply this 2. Okay. So 1.5 into 10 if you are 1.5 into 10 if you are doing means how much you are getting? 15. 15 divided by 0.1, 150. When dividend is 0, 150 will be your answer. Okay. So when dividend is taken as a 10% also, 10 rupees they have also said like that. Situation 1 in A we have done when dividend is 0. Okay, when dividend is 0, just now we have done. When dividend is paid at 10, what will be your answer? Same formula, instead of taking 0, you need to take 10. So that is nothing about 10 plus 0.15 divided by 0.1. 10 is the E. 10 minus 10 divided by 0.1. Just simply I am doing it in the formula, substituting it in the formula. This is situation 2. How you calculate it? 10 plus 0.15 divided by 0.1 is 1.5. 10 minus 10 is 0 only. So 0.1. 10 plus 1.5, 11.5. 11.5 divided by 0.1. 11.5, 0. Divided by 0.1. That is nothing about how much you will getting? 10 plus 1.5. 11.5 divided by 0.1 if you are doing means 115 will be your answer. Got it? So this is the way you need to take the answer into the calculation part. Now B company, C company, you need to do it. Next, this is Walter's. Next, Gordon's model. Gordon's model also sometimes they may ask. How you need to calculate this Gordon's model is equal to, formula is E of 1 minus B KE minus BR. Okay. So they have given the everything. Okay. What everything they have given. They have asked you to do for 50%, 75%.